Hey guys, Leash from Ozlight here. Today I'm here to talk to you regarding our Vibe LED Candle Eco range. These globes would replace your normal 28 watt halogen that you might use in chandeliers, bedside lamps for mood lighting or at restaurants. With these globes, they are a 4 watt LED. They are available in a 3000K warm white and a 4000K cool white color temperature. So you've got the option of your warm white mood ambient color or a nice clean crisp white cool color. They come in 4 different bases. So they come in a bayonet cap B22, an E27 Edison screw, or a small Edison screw, or a small bayonet cap, which is the smaller version of the other 2 bases. With these globes, they have a 25,000 hour lifespan, and we do offer them with a 2-year warranty. So give you peace of mind. If anything was to happen, you'll be able to get in contact with your rep and they'll be able to help you out. These globes do come in a sleeve of 10, but as I do say, and as you can see, they do come in a twin pack of 2, so you will receive 20 in a box. Get in contact with your Ozlight rep today to place your order.